A man who was recently charged for assaulting media workers in Homestead, St. Catherine, has been killed. Investigators also confirmed that the deceased, Michael Marlin, has been on the St. Catherine North Police's radar for his involvement in the notorious Unity Gang. According to police reports, the 38-year-old, more popularly known as Big Head, was fatally shot along the Dampy Main Road in Clarendon. A 19-year-old female who was with him was also shot and injured. They had traveled to Clarendon from Homestead in St. Catherine to deliver 2 packages. 2 men were reportedly waiting in a grey motor car. After delivering the items, an argument developed as Marlin was expecting to collect an item from the men. They opened gunfire at him and chased him as he attempted to escape. The men then fled the scene. The police were alerted and the 2 were rushed to hospital where Marlin was pronounced dead. The police are investigating whether the packages being traded were illegal firearms.